Suki Tots TV.
A is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball, bounce it with your feet. C is for cat, give it a pat. D is for duck, swimming in a hat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for guitar, strum it with pride. H is for hat, wear it on your ride. Let's learn our ABCs one by one. Let's have some fun under the sun. Sing along with me, come on and play. Learn the alphabet, today is the day. I is for ice cream, scoop it with glee. J is for jellyfish, gliding in the sea. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for laughter, let it fill the sky. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for ocean, vast and deep. P is for puzzle, solve it, don't sleep. Q is for quiet, in the calm of the night. R is for rainbow, colorful and bright. S is for sun, shining so bold. T is for treasure, discover its whole. Discover its whole. U is for umbrella, shielding from rain. V is for violin, play a sweet refrain. W is for wave, crashing with might. X is for xylophone, notes taking flight. Y is for yarn, for knitting with care. Z is for zebra, stripes everywhere.